Hello. Quite an ominous looking sky behind me with heavy showers forecast for Friday, perhaps with hail and thunder. And indeed, the outlook is looking very unsettled. Sunday onwards, it's also going to turn quite a bit colder, particularly across the northern half of the UK.
And good morning from Waterston, East Sussex, which has been voted as the best place to live in the UK. Rolling green hills here and also a really vibrant community. So lots of fundraising groups, lots of sport groups as well. So all those factors come together. So it tops that list, the best place to live. Lots of very proud residents here this morning as well. Now, what about the weather? Well, here we have got some dry weather first thing this morning. Across the rest of the UK, though, it's a fairly unsettled picture, not just today, but over the next few days. So low pressure driving things. Sunny spells for many of us out there today, but also some heavy and some blustery showers too.
Hello there, good morning. It's a day of sunny spells, but also some rather heavy blustery showers across the capital. So typical spring weather, it certainly is going to be very changeable indeed.
Hi Chris, starting with a beautiful image.
Yeah, this was the aurora last night, Jane. We've had some stunning weather watcher pictures sent in. This particular one was from Norfolk, and you can see some beautiful colours here. Now, the aurora is caused by charged particles being flung off the sun, racing through space, and they hit oxygen atoms high up in the atmosphere to make these red colours. Those collisions have a bit less energy lower down, 60 miles above the ground, and so we get some of those green colours. But because the aurora was quite a strong one last night, we even had it visible in parts of Hampshire and across parts of Wales as well. So it really was quite a good display. It doesn't look like it'll be back though tonight. So if you didn't see it, you've missed the boat this time. Back to today's weather. It is a day of sunshine and showers, and we continue to see those rainfall totals mount up. There are parts of the UK that have nearly seen double the March rainfall already, and there's loads more rain in the forecast, not just today, but into the weekend and beyond as well. A quick reminder that this weekend the clocks change. However, the weather doesn't. Next week I should say, it still looks pretty unsettled with more rain in the forecast, Jane.
Hello there, good afternoon. A very changeable day of weather across the capital today. Sunny spells and some heavy blustery showers. Very typical for spring, of course. We saw a sunny start, but here are the shower clouds building as recorded by our weather watchers earlier on today. The showers will be heavy, they'll be thundery, there could be some lightning, some hail, and there will be some sunny spells in between them.
Well, the weather's certainly been confusing today, to say the least. After a sunny start, these were the scenes in Shepherd's Bush this lunchtime. But things brightened up again this afternoon in Russell Square. It's all over the place. So is this what we've got in store this spring?
Hello there. Very good evening to you. Across much of the capital today, there was a lot of sunshine at first, but very quickly a scattering of showers pulled their way in from the southwest. And that's the same story through much of the weekend, really. Sunny spells, scattered showers, but it is actually going to turn a little bit cooler. As we go through the second half of the weekend, yes, there will be more cloud as we start Sunday morning with some outbreaks of rain tracking their way through. The colder air digs its way in behind, giving us a cooler feel to the day on Sunday. But that cooler air is only a small blip as actually the sunshine returns through Monday and into the new working week, and those temperatures start to gradually recover. But don't forget that as we go through Sunday morning, the clocks go forward by 1 hour as we see the beginning of British summertime.
Hi there, Rita. It certainly has been a day of dodging the downpours today, hasn't it? Look at these mixed fortunes. This is Ranmere Common a little earlier on. Beautiful day, sunshine coming out. Just an hour later, look at this, threatening looking skies. We've had some real torrential downpours today. And you often hear us use the word bands of organised showers. And what does that mean? Well, this is the perfect example. Look how these showers have just been driven along by those strong winds in fairly organised bands of showers. They're being grouped together for longer spells of rain at times, and some of them heavy and thundery.
How's it looking?
Oh, it's been interesting, hasn't it,
Well,
today?
am I putting it?
Every time I looked out the window today, we had a different weather story. We had hail, we had thunder, we had some sunshine and also threatening looking skies. Now, it looked quite pretty, but if you got caught in those showers, they really were quite torrential, weren't they?
Hello there. It's been another unsettled day, a day of sunny skies and heavy showers, some of them thundery. Here in Wiltshire, you can see storms stretching onto the horizon as far as the eye can see. And then we had, of course, the inevitable downpours, like here in Norfolk. You barely make out this rainbow. It was raining so heavily. Now, the rain has been totting up, and of course this month has been wet so far. There are some places that have seen nearly double the amount of rainfall we'd expect in March, and there's more rain to come through the weekend and into the early part of next week as well.
And some other news about a rare sight in our skies. Explain.
Yes, that's absolutely right. Before we look at the weather and from this week and then forward as well onto what we've got for the weekend, I just want to flag up something that's happening above our heads this weekend. It might not look like much, but this tiny speck is actually a huge asteroid the size of Big Ben, and it will get a lot closer to the Earth than the Moon tomorrow night. The Moon is just under 239,000 miles away. By comparison, this asteroid will pass us at around 107,000 miles. So not exactly a close brush, but still NASA says that an object of this size passing so close to the Earth happens only about once a decade. Catchily named 2023 DZ2, it is estimated to make its closest approach to Earth at around 10 to 8 tomorrow evening, speeding by us at around 17,000 miles an hour. Because of its size, it should actually be possible to see it with some good binoculars or a telescope. Now, staying in the sky, astrophiles were in for an incredible treat last night with some breathtaking northern lights. Seeing the aurora borealis in Scotland is not that unusual, but after a strong geomagnetic storm, the lights were seen vividly across parts of southern England and Wales last night. It's only a month since the last sighting in southern parts of the UK, and excitingly, aurora can be particularly strong around the equinox, which of course happened earlier the week as more charged particles are able to enter our atmosphere. They interact with oxygen and nitrogen and result in these incredible displays. Let's have a look at the forecast. I am throwing in the towel with the weather at the moment. It's a mixture of sunny spells and showers, and that is basically all we have to say, because it continues over the weekend as well. We really are expecting it to continue to be very unsettled indeed. So this weekend, heavy showers, some sunshine, and turning cooler as well, I'm afraid. I feel like I need to apologise for the weather at the moment. It's awful, and it's not going to get much better next week, although Monday looks all right, just.
All right, we'll take that then. Becky, thank you very much.